Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we'll be checking out another project and this one is under testnet. Now for the project guys, they are predicting to have 1 USDT per token according to this article on their tokenomics. So let's check for the project guys. Let's go!
It's showtime!
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we'll be checking out another project and this one is called Huddle guys. On their tokenomics guys, we have Huddle tokenomics. 50% of the tokens will be allocated for the community guys, okay? And in here, okay, we have it in here, TGE initial supply is 200 million, or FDB of 200 million guys. Price of one Huddle token according to their article is 1 USD guys. Market cap at TGE is 42 million, 20%, 21% of the TGE supply. So let's check for the project guys. If you go into this one guys, it is like a game of basically a mini game guys that is in here, and you could do different things such as the social task. So basically in here guys, all you need to do is to copy the link on the description of this video guys and then paste it into your MetaMask guys, and then from there you could start doing the task. Okay, we have it in here guys for the quest arena, and these are the things that you could do such as retro drop, meet to earn guys. So basically if you are into meeting, you could do this. Firehouse. So if you click for Firehouse guys, there is an instruction on the right. You can do this 2 minutes, 1 HP, eligibility minimum of 2 pairs, and call duration for 10 minutes guys. So basically all you need to do is to have a meeting for 2 minutes guys, and you could also do social tasks such as join for the Huddle Telegram, that's 50 points guys, and then different tasks, Huddle app on mobile, and the things that we've done guys is to follow them in terms of their X or Twitter, and then mint onboarding NFT guys, that's 500. So make sure to complete for that one. There's also a quest, there's a 3-door, streamer, and different tasks that you could do. Invite guys is what you need to do because invite is unlimited, plus there is a bonus for invite for 3, you have 50 points. Invite for 5 handlers guys, that's 100 points, and then invite for 10, that's 200 guys. Now if you want to get your invite link guys, it is on this one. So basically on the left portion guys, okay, you would copy for this one, and you could also claim guys for the POSIT ETH. Just click for this one guys on the bottom right. Now basically guys, we have requested for this one. There is a failure because you could request this one guys every 24 hours.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Now as you could see on our leaderboard guys, okay, we are now at 34,615 with 750 HP. DeFi Arena is coming soon, and we have here guys the leaderboard. The leaderboard guys, you can check them in here. Okay, wait for it to load, and these are your leaderboard. Number 1 is at 124,000. Now you could also copy your invite link guys that is in here. Basically just copy for this one, HTTPS testnet Huddle. So click on this one guys and copy for that one. You could share it into your Telegram community or anyone you send. You could use this link. There are also things that you could explore guys in terms of this one. Click on Apps Arena guys. We have Huddle 01 and then Firehouse. You can check for this one guys. This is the ecosystem, and probably there will be more that are coming soon. Now in terms of their social media, X guys, they have more than 120k followers. So make sure guys to check out for this one and get updated guys in terms of the testnet for Huddle. Now if you go into the website guys, this is the website for huddle01.com. The DePIN for real-time connectivity experience, lightning fast digital connectivity for audio spaces, video chat, live streaming, AI agents, gaming, and DeFi enhanced UX and cut cloud cost up to 95% guys. Okay, backed by this venture capitalist guys, Kernel, Cash Ventures, you name it, they're all in here. You can check it on their website guys. Latency, cost reduction, media nodes online, and then minutes served guys is 9 million. Trusted by leading companies and communities, that is in here. Real world applications on Huddle network guys, you can check it in here. Huddle 01 Meet, and then for the Firehouse, it is also in here. Real-time connectivity for real-world use cases. So make sure guys to participate in terms of the testnet for this one. Again, they have made an announcement guys on this one that, okay, price for the Huddle token is at 1 USDT. So make sure guys to participate in terms of this one. And again guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you are subscribed. Shout out of course all our viewers, supporters, and subscribers. That's it for me guys. See ya.